Learning is taking root at Pritchardville Elementary School. Students in the garden club are hard at work, getting their hands dirty as they plant, water, and harvest their crops. From strawberries to cabbage and so much more, the garden is packed with fruits and vegetables. But the students aren't just growing food, they're growing knowledge, exploring science hands-on, as they learn what plants need to thrive and the responsibility it takes to care for them.
We planted corn. We used our pointer finger and we went down to our knuckle, and once we got the hole down, we would put the seed in.
We were picking kale. So, you want to go near the middle of it and, pick the leaves, but don't break the stem.
We're looking for the leaves flopped over and dead, so we could pick them and know that they're ready.
For some students, the lessons don't stop when they leave school.
I'm starting my own gardening at home. So far, I have a strawberries, I have a tree, my mom's lemon tree, and a loofah as well.
I can have a whole entire garden, and I don't have to go to the store.
What's growing in the garden is also making its way to the lunchroom, giving students a chance to taste the results of their hard work.
We harvest it and give it to the cafeteria, and we've given the cafeteria kale and cabbage, so the kids have got to have coleslaw grown by the students, gardeners, and kale. That's really fun to see the kids get to actually eat the food.
The garden club meets every Tuesday morning for about 45 minutes before school starts. At Pritchardville Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.